So I'm going to show you guys how to make a simple little Pokeball. So you want to start by getting something round like a plastic ball, or I'm just using a round gourd, and then cut 2 squares of Wonderflex Pro, or craft foam will also work too. You want to make sure the squares are bigger than your ball. And if you're using Wonderflex, heat it up. I'm heating it up in my solar oven, and it actually got a little too hot in the oven. The oven was hotter than I thought, so it wrinkled a little bit. So you don't want to overheat it, but just smooth it over the top until it's smooth. And once it's cool, pop it off of your ball. And then just take a pair of scissors and cut it so that the lines are all straight around the bottom of it. So you do 1 piece for the top and 1 piece for the bottom, leaving a circular cutout in the center. And you don't want the pieces to touch on the sides, leave a little space. Then paint 1 piece red and 1 piece white, or whatever ball you're doing. And of course the interior ball will be black. And the 2 pieces should fit right around it. And you just want to glue those onto the ball. I'm using Power Tag here because you can't use hot glue on Wonderflex, otherwise you'll melt it. But if you're using craft foam, then you can just use hot glue if you want. So then I took 2 circular pieces of craft foam, and I glued the smaller one on top of the bigger one to make my little button. And then I just glued that right into the circular cutout on the little Wonderflex ball. And so there is my little Pokeball. Also fun for the dog to fetch. Hate when that happens.